So, I am planting trees. And I realize this is the perfect time to teach some of you who want to plant trees that when measuring a hole for a tree, always start smaller. Here's the size of the tree. Some of you cannot judge by just looking at the front. But as you can see, because the way I'm placing it, here's what this looks like. Right there. It's not big enough. But you want to dig up a circle of dirt, top layer, only a few inches thick. Why? Because that will be grounds for surrounding the tree, the base of the tree. When you plant the tree, you can come back and just simply chop it up into small little pieces. And yes, I am doing this one-handed for education. Always dig the hole. Get as deep as you need. And if you need to, always add layers to the bottom to raise the tree up a little more. It's better to do too much than too little. Also, look at how rich this soil is. I'm impressed. But remember, no matter how much you try to do very little for one tree, that could be the result between life and death for the tree. Gardening's not easy until you get the hang of it. And I am learning this from my job. Gardening is not always an easy task. But sometimes you gotta do your best, no matter what the job is. See this stone? That's all stone. Yay. Also, I got that tree over there to plant. But, back to this. I do not have a deep enough hole. Not nearly deep enough. I gotta go through stone. Give me a minute, I'll be back. I am back. And the hole should be big enough. No, I said should be, not will be. So I am going to see if it works, and then I'll show you the planted result. Update again. This little guy did not want to come out of the bucket. Also, hi there, little guy. Okay, camera is not focused. Hi. Yeah, I got little ants all over me. Bye-bye. Okay, so, as you can see, it's not exactly even with the ground. It's up above a little bit. But that's how it should be, is a smidgen above the ground. Just a smidgen. When actually being planted. Which I have to do the same for the big bushy round tree over there. Da, 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 da. Right here. I have to do the same for him. as I did him. Remember, planting is no easy task, but the end result's worth it. And I'll show you guys when both are done. Here's the end result of this tree. I don't know if I'll show you the other tree because that might take too long. The other one indeed took way too long. So I am just going to explain that I had to chop through roots and re-dig a hole. I am sorry that I cannot show you the results, but I am completely worn out at this point.